Da kebabot ikajing batha nag All India Congress Committee. Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ru kalabuat yak aka kibakat kum kene kejuk ke pemerintah na kebentaban penderung yak dikhot syakaseng Congress. Kaseng Congress ke penenkam dagi bujing start kibakat kum kene kejuk ke pemerintah kibasuk ban penenkam. Kaseng Congress kala penenkam ru dagi buj ke batamai kenang ban la ban penderung dikhot hagaban la roman ai ki identity card lengbak internet. Habakran kajingalang uba Vincent H. Pala ubari Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ulong baka Congress kalong berbor kham hakamat haba pentre kam ki belong kat kum gibut jing start ke bajok ke bamenta bat ka deiru ke baki beriu kisuk man penenkam bat ke bapensuk ban tre yaki kam kijam ulong baka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka pentre kam ki bila debi ijngai lupa da ka menteri rang ba barim jongkari ka Indira Gandhi ka banget baka seng Congress ka dibenle ki ba compare bat ki ba kampla bat ki menura jingsuk hakar kom trekam ulong syo bada ka ba ra saprangi kini kijing ijngai jong ka menteri rang ba ado barim jongkari ba hakani kejelaru lawan ra kini kom trekam ke betmai hagaban penrung dekot bat ulong bakani ke sinjam ke beningkong ban pensuk iginong shong shnong kejela bat leng bakani ru ban pensuk ya kurkom sinsyar hakipor ki banwan ulong baleng ba kani kerukom trekam ki beriau ki bakwa bandrung dekhot kin bot kerukom ke basuk ba ban register la dia kumta ula kentui kinong shong ke jela Meghalaya banwan chakhamat ban yaso bat ban pendrung dekhot ha keseng Congress ula ajing tip syo ba keseng Congress kalabo ya kerukom ke basuk ba ha ke balak ban penenkam da uchat bot leng ba ke WhatsApp ha ke ba ki beriau ki la ban pha da ke basu type hi lane hello show number kendai not nyoh kendai not kendai iwe nyoh san hagaba kibriu ki penenkam kin haban ay ki jingtip ki jongki andala ban pensisai ki jingtip ki badai on ay ya ki identity card bagi lalong ki dekhot jong keseng Congress lengbak internet.
Many of our people said how to enroll, how to be a member of the Congress. So then I realized that we should develop a technology in such a way everybody can access for enrollment through a WhatsApp. Easy and fast. It will take you hardly half a minute to enroll. So this launching is maybe as a dry run or a trial also, because our enrollment will start from 1st of November. But without a proper trial whether this technology will work or will crash or not, I think we should have at least 4 or 5 days as a trial run, so we can see. And then I hope that we already have a more or less 1 week try, but I hope that it will sustain, especially when a huge rush of the enrollment will be there. Also, our enrollment drive also targets the new voters, the young voters, professional people who have been in Meghalaya and outside of Meghalaya, so who are working outside of Meghalaya in remote areas or maybe in the city. That's why we developed this technology. And we also have a normal enrollment forms through a normal manual forms where we'll circulate the form. The form has been prescribed by AICC. We'll give to all the Youth Congress, Mahilas, the Block Congress and the District Congress Committee, so that they also enroll as a normal procedures. And this time there's almost a parallel enrollment. One is for the IYC, Indian Youth Congress, and also the normal AICC enrollment. So there should not be a misunderstanding that, oh, how come there be 2 enrollment at the same time? A Youth Congress can also be enrolled as a normal AICC member.